Hey there, today we are going to see some of the essential shortcuts to generate C# code blocks which will save time on the developer, and the developers can concentrate on thinking about the actual logic rather than the syntax checking. Let's begin. By pressing prop and tab plus tab, you will get this property, integer my property. You can traverse between the type of the property and the name of the property using tabs again. To generate a for loop, simply type for and then tab twice, tab plus tab. You will get generated with the empty for loop, and you can change the I value as well as the length value. To generate for each loop, simply press for each, then tab plus tab. You will get generated with the empty for each loop. Only thing you need to change the collections according to your logic. To generate a quick class, just type class and then tab. You will get a new class called my class. After pressing a tab, you can change the name of the my class. To generate a constructor for the C# class, place your cursor inside the class and then type ctor tab. This will generate a parameterless constructor with a public keyword. Generating if block is pretty easy, same as before, like type if and tab, you will get a if condition with a true value set. You need to change the true according to your logic. To generate a else block, just type else and tab, you will get the else block after if condition. Generating a try catch block is pretty easy. Just type try and then press tab, you will get a try and a catch block. So you need to change the exception thing here. To generate the try with the finally block, we need to type try f and tab. This will generate try and finally block. This will not write the exception block, so I mean catch block. So you need to write it separately if you want to do that. I hope in this short video we have learned about how to generate the code blocks or code snippets dynamically using the shortcuts, which will save time on syntax checking so the developers will concentrate on thinking about the business logic. Please like and share the video if this is helpful for you. Please visit our site OneAnanda.com for further technical information about programming languages, coding tips, etc. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.